So,
Hi.
how long has it been since you heard that noise?
Well, we just woke up, right, Kevin? We were sleeping comfortably in our large tent.
Oh, man.
Snoozing soundly because we had good
This
s'mores
tent's
for
how
dessert.
big is this? Like, what, 10 feet or?
10 by 10, yeah.
Wow.
And we have a deluxe.
How tall? How high is it?
So you can stand up in here, and we have a deluxe mattress.
Right.
You know, blow up mattress. And we were sleeping soundly because we had s'mores for dinner. We ate so much sugar and chocolate. It was so good, right?
Yeah.
And so it was a good, you know, sugar.
Do you think that might have drawn some coyotes in, or what was that noise?
Perhaps it was a bear.